Wanted to show you a couple situations of special graphing. We did graphing where you had to make some XY charts, and here again we're going to do the XY charts. But notice this equation, x equals -2, doesn't have a y component. So when you do the XY chart, right, x is always -2. There's no y in that equation, so you can put any y you want. And then if you plot that, watch what happens. So on the x-axis, right, remember this is the x-axis, go over 2, 0 on the y. Go over 2, up 1 on the y. Over 2, down 1 on the y. Over -2, up 2. You notice I have a vertical line. Now I'm going to connect the dots. And there's the line for x equals -2. Now, let's do another one. How about this one, y equals 2x? Well, let's do an xy chart, right? And I always like to use 0. I always start that in the middle. So what's 2 times 0? 0. All right, let's let x be 1. What's 2 times 1? 2. How about 2? 2 times 2, 4. How about -1? 2 times -1, -2. How about -2? 2 times -2, -4. All right, let's plot those points, see if they end up in a straight line. 0, 0, right there. Over 1, up 2. Over 2, up 4. Over -1, down 2. Over -2, down 4. Oh, look, those end up in a nice straight line. So, but that's not a vertical line, is it? Nope. All right. It's a line that shows a positive slope because it goes up to the right. All right, there's that graph. Y equals 2x. All right, what about y equals 2? xy. Y equals 2. Uh-oh. There's no x in this one. Remember what we did here? Take a guess. What do you think? I hope you said fill the y side with 2's. We'll do 5 points again. I seem to like 5 here. So, all right, so y is always 2. Well, what's x? There's no x in the equation. So 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Any numbers you want. You could think of this, if it helps, instead of y equals 2, you could think of it y equals 0x plus 2. And then, no matter what I put in for x, what's 0 times 0? 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. What if I put 1 in? 0 times 1 is 0, plus 2 is 2. So this might be a nicer way to look at that graph, but now let's plot the points and see what it looks like. So on the x-axis, go over 0, up 2. Okay, go over 1, up 2. Over 2, up 2. Over -1, up 2. -2, up 2. What have we got there? A horizontal line this time, right? And that is the line y equals 2. So there's how to graph some of the weird situations of graphing that you'll see when the equations have just one variable, either just a x or just a y. I think you'll be fine with this assignment now, so good luck.